Hey there! Today we're tackling an interesting problem involving a TreeTableView feature. The problem we're trying to solve revolves around enhancing the behavior of the disclosure nodes with the Alt key modifier. We want to ensure that when a user clicks on a disclosure node with the Alt key held down, the associated group expands while all its children are collapsed, offering a unique user experience. When diving into the solution provided, we see a clever approach to handle this custom behavior. By implementing a custom event dispatcher on the table cell, we can intercept the mouse-pressed events with the Alt key condition. The code snippet showcases how we can detect the Alt key press, identify the disclosure node, and trigger the collapse of child items while expanding the current item. It's a smart way to override the default behavior and provide a more tailored interaction for the users. Continuing with the solution, the custom TreeTableView creation demonstrates how the implemented logic seamlessly integrates into the application. By leveraging the custom TreeTable cell, we ensure that the desired functionality of collapsing child items and expanding the current node triggers correctly when the Alt key is pressed during a disclosure node click. It's a neat workaround to achieve the specific behavior we're aiming for in the TreeTableView setup. To wrap it up, we've successfully addressed the problem by introducing a custom event handling mechanism in the TreeTableView. By enhancing the disclosure node behavior with the Alt key modifier, we've added a unique twist to the user interaction, making the TreeTableView more intuitive and user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!